Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the scope. Pick a niche, time frame, and 1 to 3 platforms to monitor. Next, gather baseline data. Collect 7 to 30 days of mentions, traffic, and engagement so you know where you start. Once done, choose tools, a keyword tracker, platform analytics, and a simple spreadsheet to log metrics. Make sure to label columns consistently. This first step creates the signal you will analyze, so be precise with naming and timestamps. Now you analyze signals and look for patterns. Start with spikes, measure rate of change, peak times, and percent increase to spot momentum. Then compare keywords by volume, sentiment, and engagement per post to separate noise from meaningful terms. Once done, map channels, see which platforms and accounts amplify the topic. Use cross-referencing so trends that appear on multiple sources stand out. Make sure to mark recurring cycles versus one-off events, because repeatability defines a trend. Finish by confirming the trend. You need sustained growth across at least 3 data points and evidence on more than one platform. Once validated, decide an action. Pick a content angle, schedule timing, or tweak a product to ride the momentum. Then execute quickly and monitor impact. If results look wrong, troubleshoot immediately. Check for data collection errors, bot-driven spikes, or sudden algorithm changes that distort signals. Make sure to revert or pause actions if validation fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.